Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This week you join me at Burley Manor in the beautiful village of Burley in Hampshire for a classic car show. There's going to be a great turnout today, so let's just have a walk around and see what we can see. Right, so still pretty early to arrive here. There's still lots of cars to turn up. I thought I'd just get here early and just see what's arrived already. So first off the bat, the first thing I noticed when I turned up here was this beautiful Ferguson tractor. Look at that. Here's one for Daniel. Daniel drives. I think he'd appreciate this. Beautiful Lamborghini. All of the LED rear lights. Stunning. And for complete contrast, oh, it's just a Ferrari. No, it's not just a Ferrari. It's a red Ferrari. I know nothing about Ferraris. There's a stunning little Wolseley 1500 here. Next to even more beautiful Ford Zephyr. Yes, there's still loads to see and turn up, so let's have a walk around and just soak in this awesome collection of cars. Well, just goes to show you never know what you're going to find at a classic car show. Look at this Suzuki SJ. That is awesome. Next to a rubber bumper MGB. Next to a chrome MGB. Chrome bumper. Sporting twin carbs. Lovely. Beautiful Maserati. I wouldn't want to be in that, mind you, it's about to have aircon, but that's a black car with a black interior. Brave choice. And next to it, a McLaren. I can just see George behind it. Fantastic. All of the gull wing doors. Mercedes. Oh, now this is interesting. That's a Bentley, isn't it? Another Lamborghini there. And not one, but two TR5s. Let's take a closer look. Now here's a stunning car, and not something you see every day, a fat old Vega. This has been restored by a friend of mine I know. Absolutely stunning. Let's take a closer look. Look at that for an interior, that is absolutely immaculate. What a colour. So here we have a 1989 Land Rover 90, 2.25 petrol, that's owned and maintained by the HM Coast Guard. Again, you never know what you're going to see at a car show.
You can't, to be honest with you. But no, next to the Corvette would be brilliant. No worries. Cheers, guys.
Right, so this is my mate Alex. He's got this wonderful, very rare Oldsmobile you want to tell us a little bit more about it, mate? And also, what on earth made you buy it?
Well, it's one of those cars. I found out they existed when I was probably about 14, and it just looks so crazy and a bit different, weird. The shape of it, sort of. Well, actually, in America, they gave the name the Dustbuster Minivan after the Black & Decker Dustbuster handheld Hoover. That's it. It's just one of those cars. I sort of thought it was a bit different. I just always sort of wanted to own one, and I thought I'd never own one, and then this one popped up on Facebook for £500, and I tried my best to get hold of it. I didn't want anyone else to have it.
So what year is this on?
1991. This one. So
91. So I love the way the pinstripes go through the fuel cap.
Yes, that was true to only the Oldsmobile variants. There's a Chevrolet version, which is the Chevrolet Lumina APV, and also the Pontiac Transport, which sort of has cladded body panels like the Pontiac Grand Am. That's the dash, so you've got column shifter gear, gear changer, 3-speed automatic with overdrive. And you've got your light controls and your wiper controls on both sides, which was more of a sort of Pontiac feature rather than Oldsmobile, but they carried it over onto this car. You've got remote central locking, which again is quite advanced for the year 1991.
That's the way they put the name on the...
That's it, silhouette, just to remind you, and then Oldsmobile on the... there's like a sort of another cubby hole on the top of the dashboard there, labelled Oldsmobile. And again, you've got sort of like material cladded sort of parts of the door cards, which is quite nice. And this is another feature here. If you look at the side of the door, you'll see where it curves up.
Yeah.
Sort of... So yeah, they had to put this warning sticker on there just in case of any lawsuits. So they probably saw that coming.
Oh yeah, crikey.
It's known as the elephant's ears. That's what it's known as.
Is that twin opening, is it?
That's it, yeah.
Epic.
And then you've got your reverse lights there, and like any imported car, you've got your fog light down here. As American cars don't require them.
Well, typically when you come to a car show, you meet people you know from that same sort of circle of friends. Just had a chat with a good mate of mine I haven't seen for a couple of years. And now I'm going to carry on and have a look at these cars. Ferrari Dino. I've always really liked these. They get a bit of stick for not being a proper Ferrari, but how can you say that? It's named after his son. Loving that a lot. That's a lovely example. Couple more rivals. So there is a concourse event being held today. I guess this is why this line of cars is separate to the others. Look at that 205. I presume that's a GTI with injection. Next to a rather loud Lancia Delta. Look who I bumped into. It's Amber of YouTube channel DRIVEN247.
How you doing, Alex? All right?
Not too bad, thank you, mate. Enjoying the show?
Definitely. It's nice bumping into you and George.
I've just been making some comments on this car. I can't remember the last time I saw one of these.
No, I haven't seen one locally, and definitely won't be seeing another one at the show. That's for sure. Hopefully not, anyway.
What made you buy it?
I've actually been wanting one of these for a little while. I saw this one at quite a high price on Facebook Marketplace, but to my surprise, I really lowballed the woman, and she let me have it. I lowballed her because it was an MOT failure.
Yeah.
It's been off the road for a couple of years during the COVID period, so obviously it's had a bit of money spent on it. It's still original body condition. There's still some rust repairs that need to be done, but it's now got an MOT. It's back on the road. Nice shiny wheels in there, but don't take too much attention to detail to the bodywork. We got a bit of lack appeal and rusty arches here and there, but
Yeah.
it's on the road at the end of the day. I'm taking it to shows. I love it.
No, that's what it's all about. But marketplace is lethal, isn't it, for looking for cars?
Oh, always. I mean, like yourself, we do go through some cars, us too, because we just love buying these cars, don't we? So that's just what we do as a hobby and a passion, isn't it? It's
Amber,
what we do.
I'll let you enjoy the show. Nice to see you, mate.
Nice
Take
to
care.
see you too.
See you soon. I wonder if you can guess what this is. I did not expect to see this at a show. It's a Leyland P76. That is remarkable. What a find. So this has a 4.4 V8 engine. Crikey. Built in Sydney, Australia. Lovely Morris Traveller there. You can't meet a moggy miner, especially in Traveller form. A few Land Rovers. Let's have another look at this Golf. This is an awesome slice of the 80s. Now this is a Mark IV Cortina. This belongs to a friend of mine, Bruce. When he bought this car, every panel had a little ding, so subsequently he's gone over the entire car and repainted it. Never been welded, absolutely rock solid. Just needed a bit of cosmetic attention. Got the sunshades up, that's advisable on a day like this. How's that for an interior? Oh, the velour. Well, what a fantastic day. It's been absolutely great to see old friends and new. What a collection of cars, absolutely staggering. But the midday heat is just starting to get to me now, so I'm going to head home. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. So until next time, it's goodbye from Burley Manor and goodbye from me. Goodbye.